If you're interested in large amounts of data and how they're organized, big data architecture may be a good fit for you. Industries and businesses in a variety of sectors are eager to use data to boost income and expand their operations. If you become a big data architect, you'll be in a great position to assist them. Allow me to share these critical aspects with you if you are serious about becoming a big data architect. 1. Get a bachelor's degree in a relevant field. Obtaining a relevant undergraduate degree is the first step in becoming a big data architect. It could be in the field of information technology, computer engineering, computer science, or something similar. Big data advancements, application design, programming, data management, web development, operating systems, technology architectures, and systems analysis should all be included in your academic education. These topics are essential for developing your big data architecture background knowledge and skills. 2. Improve your big data skills. To succeed as a big data architect, you must master both the soft and hard abilities necessary for the position. As a big data architect, you're seen as someone who has had extensive training, is capable of working with extremely diverse data, and is knowledgeable in a variety of programming languages and related technologies. The following are examples of technologies and hard skills. On numerous platforms, information management and data processing. MS Windows, Linux, Unix, and Solaris are among the operating systems available. XML-based enterprise application integration software. Java and Python programming languages, as well as Perl and C++ development environment software. Data migration and visualization. Tableau, RStudio, and Apache Zeppelin are examples of BI visualization tools. Statistics and applied mathematics. Oracle, in particular, is a good example of UML application server software. Text analysis, predictive modeling, and natural language processing. Software for archiving and backup. ETL, extract, transform, and LOA. Exploration of data. Cloud computing and NoSQL databases are examples of databases. Microsoft SQL Server ERP installation and agile approaches are examples of database management system software. Impala, Zookeeper, Flume, Mahout, Scoop, Enterprise Architect, Visio, and ER-Win are data modeling tools. Cassandra, Hadoop, MapReduce, Accumulo, MongoDB, Redshift architecture, and Hive are examples of data warehouse technologies. RDMSs, or Relational Database Management Systems, are fundamental database skills, relational database management systems. Computer-assisted learning. You must have acute commercial and marketing expertise in addition to technological know-how. This allows you to analyze huge data in your industry and provide support to your company's management. When working with colleagues and presenting findings and solutions to audiences with no technical expertise, exceptional communication skills are also required. It also helps if you have a keen eye for detail, as any code errors could cost the organization millions of dollars to rectify. As big data architects are typically in charge of project implementation, teamwork and leadership abilities are necessary. Innovative problem solving and resourcefulness are also important in developing new solutions and as technology advances. Finally, you must have a thorough understanding of your sector, current big data trends, and the most effective data collecting, organization, storage, and analysis methodologies. 3. Acquire appropriate experience in the application of your abilities. Big data architecture is often available as a first job. As a result, it's better if you have as much relevant experience as soon as possible. As a result, you'll be able to refine your talents and eventually acquire a career in big data architecture. You can apply for internships with organizations in the information technology, IT, field, where you can put your practical abilities to use in the industry while also developing professionalism. Before working as a big data architect, you may need 3 to 5 years of expertise in IT or a related field, as well as a track record of successful project implementation. You can start by working in database administration or programming as an entry-level employment. Aim to improve your network administration, performance management, and application architecture skills during your internship and employment experience. Then keep working on your development management, database design, warehousing, and modeling skills. 4. Obtain a master's degree as well as professional credentials. There are a variety of ways for you to expand your knowledge and establish your credibility as a big data architect. Consider earning professional certificates by obtaining advanced certification in big data courses. You will get a thorough understanding of big data technologies and tools for data collecting, storage, and advanced analytics, as well as proficiency with them. Projects and eye-opening practical applications are included in these courses, as well as coaching. Keep in mind that high-level employment in big data architecture typically require a master's degree or additional training. As a result, acquiring these skills will help you in your quest to become a big data architect. 5. Make a living as a big data architect. You can then start working as a big data architect after completing your extensive training and gaining years of expertise. If you manage an e-commerce business, or any other form of business, you can put your big data architecture skills to use there. You can also collaborate with other businesses and industries that deal with large amounts of data, such as finance, healthcare and insurance, education, and other organizations. In software and computer manufacturing companies, you can also work as a big data architect. As a big data architect, you'll be responsible for the following. Assess requirements and goals through communicating with various industry stakeholders and representatives. Examine the databases in big data architecture that are currently in use. Create an end-to-end system for consuming and analyzing data, as well as a new big data architecture and database consolidation. When creating new databases, use the finest ETL, extract, transform, and load methods. Investigate and learn about various data collection methods. Track databases, report on their correctness and efficacy, and update them as needed. Create and manage database security protocols. Keep a record of big data architecture goods and keep it safe. As a large data architect, your job includes creating blueprints or models for data management systems. You assess internal and external data sources and design a strategy for incorporating, streamlining, securing, and preserving them. This allows your employees to know where to find critical information when they need it. You also assist the organization in recognizing its important goals in the context of big data management. In order to plan for database consolidation, you collaborate with data engineers and software designers. You'll also be able to create cutting-edge platforms that are useful to your target audience. Finally, you'll be in charge of planning database updates and enhancements so that they produce the best possible results for the firm. As a result, be prepared to work longer hours, including on weekends, if necessary, in order to complete updates and projects on time. Become an expert in big data architecture. Professionally and financially, becoming a big data architect is a profitable career path. Aspiring big data architects like you will quickly discover this. Every day, you'll be presented with opportunity to overcome mind-boggling obstacles, upgrade big data architecture, and improve not only your organization, but society and the planet as a whole. Was this information useful to you? Be the first to publish this by pressing the share button. Cheers!